Hey, Richard, we're supposed to be shooting the show.
I know, but Mama says I can't shoot the show until I'm done with all my chores.
I didn't have time to pre-cook the beans, so I'm gonna cook them with the dish.
Riccardo, ha bisogno ore prima che le cucini.
Mama says you can't do it like that. It takes hours to cook the beans.
Aspetta qua.
All right, Mama, I'm gonna wait right here. A knife and one ladle.
That's a ladle, Richard.
Ah, what he said. Ah, Mama.
Riccardo, io non so che cosa fai senza di me.
You're right, Mama. What would I do without you?
I can't even imagine he's gonna screw up more than he already do.
Wow. Mama, that's some pretty good English.
Il mio inglese è perfetto.
Now let's dive right into step 1.